Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Wi-Fi device password from your Windows system. So first of all, you have to check and make sure that your system is connected with that Wi-Fi. In my case, as you can see, my system is connected with the Wi-Fi as well as the LAN port also. But make sure your system is connected with the Wi-Fi like this, which is connected over here. After that, open the run box and type this ncpa.cpl. What this function is going to do is it will open the network connection configuration page. So press OK, and as you can see, the network connection configuration page is appeared now, and you will see many Ethernet drivers are already installed here. So you have to find your Wi-Fi network driver. So for me, as you can see, this is my Wi-Fi driver. So I'm going to double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will open a page like this, Wi-Fi status page. You can see all the details over here, like IP4V connectivity, IPv6 connectivity, and the other things. So we are going to click on the wireless properties over here. So click on it and it will open another page like Paneer wireless network properties. So whatever your Wi-Fi name you have given, it will come like this. So we are going to click on the security, and after that, this is your secret key where you will find your Wi-Fi password. So you have to click over here, show characters, and this is the password for this particular Wi-Fi. So you can copy it from here. So if you find this video any helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to the next video. Thank you.